Is Windows failing to load because of the AppX Provider module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. To kick off the AppX Provider module guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This DLL file is a Windows system file that provides metadata and deployment logic for AppX packages. It enables the OS to identify, install, and manage modern Windows Store applications and their associated resources. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. This is a Windows integrity issue involving a protected system file. Use an administrator command prompt to run sfc/scan now and allow Windows to automatically repair files like the AppX Provider module DLL. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing the AppX Provider module message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for the AppX Provider module DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. To reduce uncertainty around library management, the diagnostic tool below includes informational content on synchronizing the AppX Provider module. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for the AppX Provider module and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.